friends, my name is Miss Miranda and this is my friend Mr. MyPlate, and today we're going to talk about the grains group. What color is the grains group? You're right, it's orange. Mr. MyPlate, he's going to help us talk about foods that keep us healthy because Mr. MyPlate is a superhero. Mr. MyPlate is a superhero because he eats all of the foods that keep his body healthy. And today we're talking about the grains group. Mr. MyPlate, what foods keep your body healthy? Well, let's start with the red group. The red group is called fruits, like apples and bananas and oranges. Those are really yummy. What about this color? What color do you see? Yes, the green food group is called vegetables. Can you guys say vegetables? Very good. I like to eat lots of vegetables. I like carrots and peas and cucumbers. What about you? That's a great vegetable. Next, we have the purple food group. Does anybody know what the purple food group is called? Can you say protein? Very good. Protein foods come from animals like chicken and turkey and fish. Sometimes we get protein foods from plants like peanuts or almonds or beans. Who likes to eat beans? Ooh, I like to eat beans too. Very good. So does Mr. MyPlate, huh? And what do we have here? What food group is this? It's called the dairy food group. And what color is it? You're right, it's blue. Friends, where do we get our dairy from? What animal do we get our dairy from? Oh, it goes moo. And you're right, it's called a cow. The cow gives us milk and cheese and yogurt. Very good, friends. Did we miss any of the food groups, Mr. MyPlate? Did we? Did we, my friends? We did. We missed the orange food group. The orange food group is called grains. Can everybody say grains? Very good. And the grains group is what Mr. MyPlate wants to talk to you guys about today. The grains food group keeps our tummies healthy and happy. Can everybody rub their tummy? Very good. When we eat grains foods, it keeps our tummies from getting upset because I don't like getting an upset tummy, and I bet you don't either. But when we eat grains, it keeps our tummy healthy and happy. So what foods are in the grains food group? Well, let's look at some pictures. Oh, this one here. I see. I know this one. This one is called, what is it? Corn. Very good. Corn is a grain. It grows really high in the cornfields, up on the stalks. You have to reach really high to pick it. What's another grain? Oh, I like to eat this one. I like to eat this one with chicken and broccoli. Oh, what's this one called, friends? You're right, it's rice. Very good. What about this next one? I like to eat this next one with some tomato sauce, maybe a little Parmesan cheese. What is that? It's spaghetti. Very good, friends. What about this one? I like eating this one for breakfast. I like to eat it when it's warm. I put milk in mine. And then I like to put blueberries and walnuts with mine too. What's this one? You're right. It's called oatmeal. Very good. Can everybody say oatmeal? Now, when the oatmeal is dry, like these here in the picture, it's called oats. Can you say oats?
And just like another breakfast item, we can eat this one. This one I also pour milk on, and I eat it cold. Oh yeah, you guys know this one. Can you say cereal? Very good. What color is this cereal? Yes, it's brown, because brown cereals are good for our bodies. What about this next one? Oh, this next one. I think we use this to make pasta and bread, maybe pretzels. What's this one? Can you guys say wheat? Very good. Wheat makes lots of grains like pasta, bread, and pretzels. It also makes cereal.
What's that, Mr. My Plate? Oh, really? Chef Herb wants to take us to the UDC Firebird Farm to show us some grains. What grains is he going to show us? Oh, very good. I love that one. I think he's going to show us some rice.
Hello, friends. We was talking about Mr. My Plate earlier, and when we got to the orange section, which was your grain section, and we said you want to make sure half of your grains are whole grains. And this is a prime example of whole grains. As you can see, this is all brown rice out here right now. And if you get a close-up look, you can actually see the grains of rice right here.
Now, friends, when we eat grains, it's best for us to eat whole grains. Can you say whole grains? Very good. Whole grains foods are brown, like this one here. What do I have here? You're right, it's a piece of bread. And what color is it? It is brown because this is whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread has lots of fiber for our tummies to keep them nice and healthy and happy. So we want to choose the bread that is brown instead of the bread that is white. That also goes for pasta and rice and a whole bunch of other grains. When we eat grains, we want to eat what kind? The whole grains. And what color are they? Brown. Very good. Okay, friends, today we're going to do some counting. Who likes math? Very good. Now, lots of grains are really small, like rice and oats. We don't eat just one piece of rice. We eat lots of pieces of rice. We call those grains of rice. Same thing when we eat oatmeal. We eat lots of pieces of oats, not one oat. That would be way too little. All right, what are we going to count first? Let's see. Oh, I think this one has a word on it. Can you guys help me spell it out? I see O-A-T-S. What's that spell? That spells oats. And I see here the word is made out of oats. Very good. All right, friends, let's count some oats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many oats are there? Very good. There are 10 grains of oats. What do I have here? Can you guys help me spell it out? I see R-I-C-E. That spells rice. How many grains of rice are in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pieces of rice are there? 8 grains of rice. Very good. What's this one, my friends? This one is corn. These little guys are called corn kernels, and they are what make popcorn. Very good. Let's count some corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many kernels of corn are there? 9 kernels of corn. All right, my friends, let's see how good you are at math. Can you guys do some adding with me? What's in the picture? You're right, those are noodles. Very good. Pasta is a grain. When we choose pasta, we want to eat whole wheat pasta. Can we solve this equation? 1, 2, 3 plus 1. What does 3 plus 1 equal? Let's see, can we count them right here? 1, 2, 3, 4. What does 3 plus 1 equal? You're very right. It equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, my friends. All right, friends. Mr. MyPlate and I have a few questions for you. First, raise your hand if you agree that eating grains keeps our tummies healthy and happy. Very good. If you raised your hand, you are correct. Eating grains, especially whole grains, keeps our tummies very healthy and very happy. Awesome job, friends. My next question, raise your hand if you agree that rice is a grain. Very good. You're right. Rice is a grain. When we eat brown rice, that's a whole grain, and that is very good for our tummies. Thanks so much for helping me count today. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye, friends.